uploading and reviewing distributor daily sales in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you where distributor reports land, how to upload one, and how I flag any missing day so you can follow up. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Inventory, Disti Daily Sales from your dashboard. Your distributors send daily sales reports so you know what's actually selling through to retailers, not just what you ship to the distributor. This is where those reports land. Start by selecting the distributor. Drop the distributor's file into the upload area, and I'll parse it and match it against your SKU list automatically. Duplicates are handled safely, so you can re-upload without worry. Once it's uploaded, the import history lists each report by date and distributor and flags any gap, a day with no report received. Click a flagged gap, and I'll show you exactly which date is missing so you can follow up. Keeping this current is what makes your depletion and forecast numbers accurate.